CapCut affiliate program review. Is it worth joining? So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be doing a review right here for the CapCut affiliate program. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to use the services right here from CapCut. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So according to Suresh right here, Suresh made a comprehensive review of the CapCut affiliate program. So here is the final verdict of Suresh. So the CapCut affiliate program welcomes individuals and businesses to earn money by promoting a high-quality video editing tool. The competitive commission structure, timely payments, and good support benefits affiliates significantly. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, social media influencer, or someone with an engaged audience, promoting CapCut can be a lucrative venture. Through blog posts, YouTube videos, social media, and email marketing, affiliates can effectively reach their audience and drive conversions. The high commission rates, real-time tracking, and access to promotional materials are the benefits that made CapCut affiliate program more attractive. So yes, if you're looking for a rewarding affiliate program that aligns with the growing demand for video editing tools, the CapCut affiliate program is worth considering. So that's pretty much for the review. So here is the CapCut affiliate program. So you can grow your brand and earn up to 50,000 USD commissions by referring qualified CapCut Pro subscribers from the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, and France. So it pays to be an affiliate literally. Earnings starts with referring. So you can apply now right here. So it's free to join and you can get up to 35% recurring commissions. So here are the steps on how to become a CapCut affiliate. So first, you have to create an account. So sign up as the partner on impact.com and then just create your account there. And then from there, you can now apply for the CapCut affiliate program. So you can log into your Impact dashboard, go to brands, find brands, and search for CapCut and apply to their program. You can share more about your brand to help us understand your content. Once accepted, you can have access to creative library and latest pro features. Then lastly, refer CapCut Pro and get paid. So you can earn up to 15,000 USD commissions by creating content and sharing on your social media with their affiliate link posted on program profile. Once a qualifying new customer subscribes CapCut Pro, you can track conversions on Impact and receive payments from Impact on a monthly basis. So that's pretty much it for the review for the CapCut affiliate program. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, and also there will also be a link in the description below in where you can get special promos or special discounts if you're going to use the CapCut affiliate program. So that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.